Honestly feels straight out of a disaster film. It shows this massive storm sweeping across Tennessee, and according to the person filming, their car was completely destroyed by the end of it. The windshield, the body of the car, basically everything. And what really stood out to me wasn't even just the damage. It was how calm the driver seemed while all of this was happening. Like, don't get me wrong, driving through a storm like this is incredibly risky, and I definitely wouldn't recommend it, but at the same time, you can't help but notice how composed they were in such a terrifying This one is crazy. This wasn't from a movie or some special effects scene. This was a real tornado that struck Iowa back in 2018. Thankfully, the people filming managed to leave the street just in time, because if you keep watching, the situation only gets worse from there. Like, this is one of those moments where you realize nature can go from scary to life-threatening in seconds.
It's going right by the office.
Then in September 2022, Hurricane Ian tore through southern Florida with winds reaching around 240 kilometers per hour. And the people in this video aren't just random bystanders. They're actually storm chasers and meteorologists, people who deliberately get close to extreme weather to study it and document it. Which honestly sounds fascinating, but also absolutely terrifying, because imagine willingly driving towards something everyone else is trying to escape from.
Задний ход, давай, задний ход.
Oh, the house! Oh, the house! Oh, the house! That house is came, bro! Oh, look at something!
Then there's another clip from the same area, and you can literally see a man rushing back to his car trying to move it away before things get even worse. And honestly, the people filming are already yelling, "Watch out!" Because at that point you can tell everybody realizes this is getting dangerous, really.